In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to copy images into what we call layers and how layers work in something like Photop. So I've got two images to create my first hybrid. I'm quite chuffed with the choices. If you look, the owl's facing the exact same direction as the fox, which means that the kind of matching will be quite useful. I'm going to put the fox's head on top of the owl. So how we do that in a file we've got open? Well, firstly, if you look, we've got the background layer, which you can't actually paste anything into. To put a new image in, you need to create a new layer. We can do layer via copy. Or we can copy an image from Google. So I'm going to right click. Oh, hang on. I'm going to right click on that and I'm going to copy the image. And I'm going to go to layer and new layer. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to press Control and V to paste my image into that layer. So I have an owl now on my document. And if I double click on layer 1, I should be able to change this to owl body. So I know what that layer is. Okay, I want the fox now, so I will need to make a new layer. You need to make a new layer for each image you create. So new layer. I'm going to call this one fox. And I'm going to go to the fox. I'm going to copy it. Copy image. So right click on it and copy image. And I'm going to make sure I've got that layer selected and not the owl body layer. You can see because whichever layer selected is darker. Control V. There we go. Got the fox. And so we have two images now inserted into the document. If you notice when I move the fox it goes over the owl. That's because the fox is the top layer. If I want the owl on top, I just drag these layers down like that. I'm pretty sure you can right click on them as well, layer, and you can arrange them so I can send this to the back. Nope. Layer, so I've just put it behind the background, haven't I? Arrange, bring forward. So the owl is there. If I go to layer and arrange and bring forward, Control and J, that's the shortcut, the owl is now on the top. You see the owl's there now. So that's moving the layers around. If you want to resize any of these, it's pretty simple. We go to Edit and we go to Free Transform. You get all of these little square things on the edge. You can rotate it if you go outside of it, but if you go like there, it allows you to resize. So do you see the little cursor changes between the two? And you can rotate however you may see fit, or you can resize. So I'm going to resize the owl. And I'm going to click on the fox. I'm going to move the fox down here for now. And in the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cut the fox's head out and stick it on top of the owl, which is the overall aim of the next tutorial.